In the vast, dark reaches of space, where time itself stretches into incomprehensible epochs, a new marvel is rewriting the history of the cosmos, the James Webb Space Telescope. As the most advanced space observatory ever constructed, this technological masterpiece continues to astonish the scientific community. It doesn't just offer glimpses of distant galaxies or reveal stars in their infancy. It is fundamentally altering our understanding of the universe and even our own solar system. Recently, this telescope made headlines again with an extraordinary revelation. Despite the general belief that our solar system is well mapped and thoroughly explored, James Webb has discovered over 500 new celestial objects within its bounds. These are not just ordinary asteroids or comets, they are mysterious, previously unknown objects that defy current classifications and challenge long-held assumptions about space. This discovery is not merely a scientific breakthrough. It's a moment that redefines how we perceive our place in the cosmos. While we often think of our solar system as a static and well-understood neighborhood, that assumption is a product of familiarity. In reality, the universe is in a constant state of evolution. New bodies are still being born, older ones are decaying, and others are passing through, some perhaps for the first and only time. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, offers a deeper lens into these changes than any instrument before it. As theoretical physicist Michio Kaku stated, "We are now standing at the threshold of a new era in astrophysics, one filled with wonders and uncertainties." A collaboration that transformed astronomy. The James Webb Space Telescope is a joint project of NASA, the European Space Agency (ESA), and the Canadian Space Agency (CSA). Designed to be the successor of the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST launched in December 2021 and took its place nearly 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, at a stable gravitational point known as Lagrange point 2, L2. Unlike Hubble, which primarily observes in the visible and ultraviolet spectrum, JWST specializes in infrared astronomy. This enables it to peer through dense clouds of dust and gas, detect the faint heat of faraway objects, and observe celestial bodies formed shortly after the Big Bang. Its 6.5-meter golden mirror, nearly 3 times larger than Hubble's, collects 6 times more light, offering unparalleled clarity and depth in every image. The telescope has already delivered astonishing views: baby galaxies just 200 million years old, ancient starlight that has traveled for over 13 billion years, and vivid stellar nurseries never seen in such detail. But what truly shook the astrophysical world recently was the detection of more than 500 new unidentified objects, many of them within or just beyond the outer edges of our solar system. What are these mysterious objects? Among the 500 newly identified objects are strange orbiters, unusual rocky bodies, and even objects with trajectories that suggest interstellar origin. This is not the first time something unexpected has entered our solar domain. Recall the enigmatic interstellar visitor Oumuamua in 2017, or comet Borisov in 2019. But never before have scientists observed such a large cluster of anomalies. What makes these objects fascinating is not just their number, but their diversity. Some resemble comets, while others mimic dwarf planets or take on erratic paths that contradict known gravitational behavior. Many of them exhibit unexpected motion, some traveling at strange angles, others at unusual speeds. Could they be remnants of early solar system formation? Or are they fragments ejected from violent cosmic events such as supernovae or black hole interactions? Initial spectroscopic analysis indicates that some of these objects are composed of materials rarely seen in our solar system, such as exotic ices, hydrocarbons, and metallic compounds that hint at extraterrestrial origin or extreme environments. Could black holes be involved? One of the most captivating theories proposed by astrophysicists is that some of these objects may have been ejected from black holes. Not from within the event horizon, of course, but from the chaotic region around them known as the accretion disk. When a black hole devours a star or planet, it doesn't consume all of it at once. The intense gravitational forces involved can tear the body apart, ejecting fragments outward at astonishing speeds. These fragments, flung into deep space, could eventually drift into neighboring star systems, perhaps even ours. If any of the 500 newly detected bodies are confirmed to have hypervelocity trajectories or originate from outside our galaxy, it would lend credence to the idea that black holes act as both destroyers and creators, violently dispersing matter that seeds the universe with new possibilities. Implications for planetary science beyond their mysterious nature. These objects present an unparalleled opportunity for planetary scientists. By studying their trajectories, composition, and gravitational interactions, researchers can glean insights into how our solar system was shaped. Some may even belong to the hypothesized Oort cloud, a vast, icy shell of debris surrounding the solar system that remains largely unexplored. The gravitational behavior of these objects could also provide indirect clues about unseen planetary masses, including the elusive Planet 9, a hypothetical giant planet thought to be lurking in the farthest reaches of our solar system. If confirmed, such discoveries would fundamentally alter our understanding of the Sun's gravitational dominion. Shedding light on dark matter and dark energy. Even more intriguing is the possibility that some of these objects could help in the search for dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up about 27% of the universe. While dark matter itself cannot be seen, its presence is inferred through its gravitational effects. The behavior of these 500 objects, especially those on unusual orbits, could serve as a tracer for dark matter distributions in our solar system. Similarly, their detection might contribute to research into dark energy, the mysterious force believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. If some of these objects came from regions undergoing rapid expansion, or if their trajectories suggest distortions in spacetime, we might begin to better understand this elusive force. A gateway to the unknown. For now, the true nature of these 500 objects remains uncertain. They could be primordial remnants, interstellar visitors, or entirely new types of celestial bodies. But what's clear is that the James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new frontier of discovery. With every image it sends back, we move one step closer to understanding the cosmic puzzle. This discovery doesn't just impact astronomy, it challenges human philosophy. We often think of space as the final frontier, but now it's clear that even our immediate celestial neighborhood holds secrets we've only begun to uncover. What comes next? As the James Webb Telescope continues its mission, scientists will use its powerful infrared capabilities to study these objects in greater detail. Ground-based observatories and other space missions will also focus on tracking and analyzing their movement. The next few years promise a deluge of new data that could shake the foundations of planetary science, astrophysics, and cosmology. And perhaps most importantly, these discoveries reignite our sense of wonder. For in the end, what drives science isn't just data or equations, it's curiosity, that very human desire to ask, what's out there? What do you think about these strange, newly discovered objects? Could they be pieces of ancient stars, messengers from other galaxies, or something entirely new? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through space and discovery, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow explorers, and subscribe to Discovery at 2.0 for more awe-inspiring content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the mysteries of the universe. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep looking up.